In this video, I'm going to demonstrate the houndstooth pattern, and you will also be doing the same in class. So this is a grid, so I'm going to go ahead and draw some vertical and horizontal lines that form a rectangle. So here's my vertical lines. And then here are my horizontal lines, forming a rectangle shape. So that's the first step in the houndstooth, is to make this grid pattern using lines in both vertical and horizontal directions. Then you're going to color in the grid rectangle shapes. So here, I'll start here, color in every other one in the same row. So this one, so same row on the vertical and the horizontal direction, every other one. So I'll do enough here so you can see the pattern. One more line, one more line. So vertical and horizontal squares. And this one. And again, this is much bigger scale, of course, but it's just showing you. So this is, you would continue. If I were going in the width, I would continue, or going up, I would continue. But this is the first step. The second step is to color in rectangles on each row and column. Then you're going to, in the corner of these boxes, shade in a right angle shape. So on each corner, attaching to the rectangle at the bottom, I'm coloring in a right angle shape. Here's this one. Okay. So in each corner, connecting to the bottom of the rectangles, I'm coloring in a right angle shape, as if I'm shading the corner of those boxes. Then the next step is to make a line above the rectangle that's diagonal, and it has a bit of a width to it. And it goes to each corner. So this one, aiming for the corner. So all that's colored in, aiming it to the corner. This one, aiming it to the corner, and it's a thick line. And of course, if you're doing this with marker, it's much easier to get all of that pattern. So each of these lines point to the corner, starting with the top of the rectangle and pointing to the corner. Then, from the bottom of each rectangle, I'm making also those lines, diagonal lines, that are going to the corners. And again, those are also thick lines as well. Corner, 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 and corner. And that is your houndstooth. And it's easy to see when you're looking at it, those shapes, but that's how you can break it down.